The accessory belt drive system is one of the most important systems in the vehicle. If it doesn't perform correctly, accessories such as the alternator, AC compressor, water pump, and power steering pump cannot perform as they should. Belts, tensioners, and pulleys need to be replaced together. When working on a vehicle's serpentine system, especially a vehicle with 90,000 miles or more, replacing the belts, tensioners, and pulleys becomes more critical. Technicians must take a serious look at the serpentine system. It's much more advanced than it once was. Belts are constructed of EPDM, an advanced material that wears down like a tire. As the belt ribs wear, the inside circumference of the belt lengthens, forcing the tensioner to pick up the slack. A worn belt means that the ribs no longer fully wedge in the pulleys. The belt slips, and the output of the component is reduced. As the belt wears, the other components in the system are wearing at a similar rate. Replacing only the belt could force a customer comeback, or worse, leave the customer stranded on the side of the road. Complete system repairs just make sense. Think how you handle brake and cooling system repairs, or timing belt replacements. Shortcuts cause problems. You have to look at the serpentine system and its components the same way. Tensioners, just like belts, are wear items. At about the same time the belt is wearing past its design limits, the tensioner will move to the point of being unable to provide proper system tension, dampen system impulses, or maintain system alignment. As tension and damping is lost, belt slip and belt flutter will begin to occur, causing noise and increased heat in the belt system. A failing pivot bushing on the tensioner arm will affect alignment and contribute to these issues. The excess heat over time will affect pulley bearings, accelerate belt wear, and contribute to accessory failures. As you can imagine, installing a new belt on a vehicle with a failing tensioner or pulleys could easily lead to a customer comeback. Keep in mind that there are no serviceable parts inside a tensioner, and that once a component of the tensioner has worn beyond its useful service life, the entire assembly must be replaced. It bears repeating that the accessory belt drive is a system. When replacing components like the alternator, you should always replace the belt, tensioner, and pulleys. Pulleys and idlers should also be replaced when servicing a complete system. Both plastic and steel pulleys wear, chip, and mar. Bearings will develop excess play, which leads to belt tracking and alignment issues. These may seem like small parts of the system, but they are crucial for extending the life of the belt. The labor to R&R just a belt usually isn't much less than replacing all of the components in the system. Servicing the serpentine system in one visit is more economic and timelier for both you and the customer. You could order each part individually when performing serpentine system service. But is there an easier, better way? Yes. A complete serpentine kit is the way to go when quoting or selling a job. Kits not only offer the convenience of having all the parts in one package, but they help to streamline the entire process. Using a kit ensures that you receive the correct length belt, the correct tensioner, and pulleys. Plus, it's easier to invoice and can be less expensive for the customer. In recent years, customers have become much more likely to adopt a fix it right the first time attitude and recognize that systems on a vehicle must be repaired together. Suggesting a kit to a customer may not be as tough of a sell as it once was. At the end of the day, your job is to provide excellent service to your customers by executing a quality, reliable repair. When faced with a serpentine system noise or a component repair, utilizing a complete serpentine kit is the easiest way to ensure the proper repair. Best of all, it's a simple way to reduce customer comebacks and ensure that your bay stays open for the next job. Vehicle owners are keeping their cars longer than ever, so it just makes sense for the customer to protect their investment. Protect the ride.